Altamirano, the Program Director for the National Basketball Training Center. We're looking for the best Filipino young basketball players all around the world. And it's my first time here in Germany. And of course, we're looking for the potential players, no? An opportunity to play for the national finals. Yeah. Why Germany? Because we've had already different partners, global partners all over the world. Meron na tayong partners from USA, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, Middle East. So we're also expanding and looking for other partners na pwede nating mabigyan ng opportunity na ma-identify din, no? Itong mga Filipino young players na na-identify, ibigyan natin ng opportunity through the NBTC platform para makilala sila sa Philippines, no? As you all know, very big ang basketball sa Philippines. And maraming mga bata ang gusto maglaro sa Philippines, no? Most especially sa mga collegiate level, yung UAAP and NCAA. And siyempre, yung ating professional league, yung PBA. This is my first time to be here in Germany. And I have the opportunity to see for myself kung sino talaga yung mga magagaling dito. And I'm really encouraged, no, sa nakita ko dito mga bata, maraming mga potential players. They just need guidance, they just need somebody to mentor them, teach them the proper way of playing basketball. Pero in terms of potential, malaki ang potential ng mga bata. And I'm very happy na at least na-open namin ang NBTC dito sa Germany, and hopefully they will become a global partner as well. And we're looking forward to seeing these young players achieve their dreams sa basketball.
Hello, I'm Ever Cuerdo, taga Milan, Italy po ako. Founder po ako ng Proud Pinoy Phil-Italian Basketball Association. Kami po yung nag-start ng NBTC dito sa Italy. At nagagalak po ako at natutuwa at lumalawak po yung ating ginagawa para sa mga kabataan dito sa Europe. Sa ngayon po, nandito na kami sa Germany at para matulungan yung mga kabataan natin na makalaro sa NBTC, National Basketball Training Center. Okay, since 2019, nag-start po kami sa National Basketball Training Center. Sa ngayon po, may mga PBA players na po kami naglalaro sa Pilipinas. Sa amin po nag-umpisa at sa awa po ng Diyos, natutupad na ang kanilang mga pangarap. At sa ngayon po, patuloy kami nagre-recruit at naghihikayat ng mga kabataan. Nakiliking po natin ang mga kabataang Pilipino na makarating at matupad sa kanilang mga pangarap. Halina po kayo, iniimbitahan po namin kayo makiisa dito sa NBTC, Germany. Thank you po.
Ako po si Chito Mahler, NBTC Central Europe, Germany. Nung nag-start ako neto last year, sumali ako sa Pilipinas as coach para sa Italy side ng under-16 NBTC nila at wildcard under-19 nila as a Team B under-19. I hope na ibalik ko yung basketball ulit sa Germany para sa mga kabataan, para at least yung mga bata ma-love ulit ang game sa basketball dahil nawawala na dito sa Germany. Nafe-feel ko nawawala na kaya nag-start ako ulit na NBTC. Pag gusto nyo sumali, want to join to NBTC Germany, contact me on Facebook, Chito Quintana Mahler, and I will answer your question about NBTC, what is plan in NBTC, all about it. Training namin dito rin sa gym namin sa Gensbach. Doon namin pinagsasama yung mga player all together ng player ng Germany, and we train from 6 PM to 9 PM every Saturday.
Pangalan ko pala si Kent Gabinete and I'm 15 years old and nakatira ako sa Düsseldorf. First season ko pala dito sa NBTC and maganda yung experience ko. Marunong yung mga kasama ko dito at magagaling.
Hello everyone, my name is Maron James Baril. Nakatira ako sa Bonn, Germany. 2 buwan na po ako dito sa NBTC at marami na po ako natutunan. Marami din akong mga friends na na-meet. Maganda ang experience ano ko dito.
Hello, I'm LJ. I'm 18. I play for Germany team. I'm with NBTC with Coach Chito for 1 year, and the experience is so good. Like I get to improve my skills, and yeah, the coaches are so good.
Ich heiße Raphael und ich bin aus Bonn und ich bin 14 Jahre alt und spiele in der Kreisliga. Also ich spiele seit 7 Jahren und ich habe das Training hier gut empfunden und es hat Spaß gemacht mit dem Coach und neue Dinge zu lernen, mit den Dribblings und was man beachten muss.
Hi, my name is Joma. I'm from Germany. I'm 19 years old. This is my first time experience in BTC here in Germany. So medyo konting kinakabahan ako konti kasi this is my first time. Nag-improve ako sa 2 years. Pero konti lang, step by step mo.
Ako si Maddox Herman Velasco Cooper and nakatira po ako sa Germany ngayon. And it's my second time na mag-try ng NBTC and then marami po ako natutunan and marami rin po ako nakilala mga tropa, friends, kapatid dito sa basketball and matagal na rin po ako naglalaro ng basketball since I was 9 years old.
Well, I'd like to invite all the players here in Germany, 19 under and below, inviting you to join the NBTC program here in Germany. And you know, whether you're an advanced player or just starting, we have a very good program here in Germany. So look for our global partners here, si Mr. Chito Maler, para i-guide kayo. I'm sure you'll be able to get in touch with him, and we're here to support you.
Y'all ready for this?